In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to multi-stream your live stream using Castrio. So watch this video if you want to learn how to stream at more than one platform at a time and do it effortlessly. Let's go. What is good, you all? Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Deep and this is where I do a lot of DJing and tech related tutorials, tips and tricks to help you become a better DJ and to help you get better at using technology. So if you're new here, please consider subscribing. So what is multi-streaming? In simple terms, multi-streaming, also known as simulcasting, is streaming one piece of live content in different platforms all at the same time. This is a great way to get your content to be more visible to people who follow you on different platforms and do it all at the same time. So today I'm going to teach you how to do just that, and we're going to do this using a tool or platform called Castrio. Castrio is an all-in-one live video streaming platform for broadcasters, content creators, gamers, educational and religious organizations, and many more. With Castrio, you can stream buffer-free and lag-free to every platform at once and even on your own website. That's right. Castrio is easy to set up and most importantly, it is reliable. Alright, let's check out the website and let me show you how to set up your multi-stream. Visit their official website castrio.io, the link for which is in the description. Here, you can see that the website is simple and responsive. And as I said earlier, it is the most reliable live streaming solution that helps you deliver your live video content anywhere. If you scroll down, you can also see the other products that they have in offering, but we are here for multi-streaming and that's what we are going to concentrate on today. Further down, you can also see their pricing, etc., where they have multiple subscription plans. But hey, you don't have to pay to get started. They also have a 7-day free trial with almost no limitations. With the 7-day free trial, you can stream to 5 destinations, including one Facebook page or group, and this is the same as their broadcast plan. So you can actually try their service before you buy their subscription. But let me tell you one thing, if you're all about multi-streaming, this money spent will be worth it. Now let's quickly log in and let me show you how to set it all up. When you log in, this is the screen that you will be presented with. If this is not what you see, chances are that you're looking at their classic look. You can change that from the top left corner here. Now, as you can see, this is your dashboard and it is empty. So let's quickly create a new stream. But before you do this, I strongly recommend that you open OBS and make sure it's set up and ready to use. And then also open all of the websites that you want to multi-stream on, like Facebook, Twitch, Mixcloud, YouTube, etc. For this demonstration, I'm going to show you how to do this on Facebook and Twitch at the same time. Alright, I have my OBS set up and ready to stream, and I also have my Facebook and Twitch accounts open and ready. Now, let's go to Castrio and click on Create New. This window will open up on the right and then click on New Multi-Stream because that's what we're here for. Now, give your stream a name. I'm just going to call it DB Test Stream using Castrio.io, but you can call it whatever you like. Now, select your hosting region. I am currently in India, so I will select Asia, India, but make sure you select the location you are closest to. Then click Save. Now, that's when this page will open up. Here on the top left, you can see the name of your stream. And below that is where you can add all the platforms you want to stream to. And on the right, you can see the stream source setup window. We will come back to this soon, but first, let's add all the platforms you want to stream to. So to add the platform, simply click on Add Platform. And now you can see a list of all of the platforms you can actually add in Castrio. We have Facebook, YouTube, Twitch, Mixcloud, and many more. Let's click on Facebook for example. And now you can see that this window will open up. You can simply log into Facebook directly from here to make things easy, and you can also set it up manually. I'm going to show you how to set it up manually with the server and key, because that is what you get when you pay for the broadcast plan, which is their cheapest offering at $10, or if you do the 7-day free trial. So let's click on the setup with server key option and it will ask you for the server and key. Now all you need to do is go to Facebook and then click on live video. When this window opens up, just select use stream key and that's when you can see the server and the key on the bottom right. Copy them both and paste them into Castrio just like this, and then click on Create Platform. And that's it, you're done adding your first platform, and this is the one. You can see that it's toggled off by default. Make sure it's off until you are ready to stream. Now let's add another platform. Again, follow the same process. Click on the Add Platform option and select the other platform of choice. Let's add Twitch, for example. Click on Twitch and you can see that it's asking you to connect automatically, or you can do it manually. Let me show you how to auto connect this time. So simply click on Connect to Twitch. This new window will open up, and this is where it will ask you to authorize. Just click Authorize and that's it. It'll now show you that you are now connected successfully. Close this tab and go back to Castrio. Add all the relevant information and you can see the new platform is added, and by default it is toggled off. Now, if you want to add platforms like Mixcloud or YouTube, you can follow the steps I just mentioned and you can add more platforms there. And all of those will be added here in this list. Now you're pretty much done. All you need to do now is go to OBS and add your streaming key. And for that, all you need to do is go here on the right corner and copy the streaming key and then paste that into the OBS stream settings. In OBS, go to Stream Settings here and select Castrio as your service. Add the key and click OK. Now, when you're ready, click on Start Streaming in OBS. Now, let's go back to Castrio and you can see that the stream is now visible and Castrio is now able to receive the stream from OBS. From here, all you need to do is to toggle the switch on to all the platforms you want to stream to. And since we have added Facebook manually, you will also have to go to Facebook and click on Go Live here to start streaming. But if you have added it by logging in, you can just toggle it on and your stream will begin automatically. Now let's do a quick check. So as you can see, you're successfully streaming to both the platforms at the same time. This is Twitch and this is Facebook. Now when you're done, all you need to do is toggle off in Castrio and then stop streaming on OBS, and that's it, you're done. So this is how you can use Castrio to multi-stream or simulcast your live streams onto different platforms all at the same time. So your followers who are following you on different platforms can see your stream simultaneously. Now I currently use the Broadcast X2 plan, which is for about $15, and that's about 1,000 rupees here in India. But as I said earlier, you can start for free using their 7-day free trial, and then you can choose to buy their broadcast plan to stream up to 5 platforms at the same time. And that is just for $10, and I think that's a great deal because Castrio can also help you in reducing the latency, and it can also automatically increase the stability and quality. Another awesome thing about Castrio is their 24/7 customer support, and they are absolutely amazing, no kidding. They are quick, they are smart, and they are here to help you. If you're not able to do what I just taught you, the support team will be more than happy to help you and guide you step by step to help you set up your live stream. And that is what you get when you invest in a quality product. And that is Castrio for you. I absolutely love it. I hope you will too. So there you go guys. I will also mention some very important links down in the description box if you're interested to learn a bit more about Castrio and how you can use Castrio to level up your streaming game. That's it for today guys. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video today and that you guys got to learn something new as well. If you guys did, please don't forget to like this video and share this video with your friends. And also, while you're at it, why don't you please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on that bell icon to get notified every time I upload a new video. And if you have any more doubts or questions, you can comment in the comment section below, or you can also message me on Instagram and I will be happy to help you out. That's been it. My name is Deep and I will see you guys in the next one. Happy to help.